ちは。Shibuya Scramble.
What's that? Wow.
Shibuya Scramble. It is Friday night and this is rush hour in Tokyo and it's totally bonkers, but in a great way.
Which way?
Up to 3,000 people cross at a time from 5 directions. We have about a minute to cross and we are hauling our suitcases behind us. Those whistles you can hear, that's the crossing attendants keeping the flow moving, because this needs to work like clockwork, and it does. We've never seen anything like this. The multicoloured neon backdrop, it's incredible. The screens towers over you, the energy is electric. We just love it.
But I don't want to lose you.
This is Tokyo's youth culture heartland.
Misaki's promised to take us to karaoke later, and we had an amazing time. It's not what we expected. We also go to the British pub tomorrow night, and that was an experience. Wow. How incredible is this? Good atmosphere. Wow. Cosplay. They all dress up. Oh, they got flowers, Misaki. Where have they got?
Misaki has just told us that it is graduation season. That's why some of the girls are carrying flowers.
Wow, this is like nothing else on earth. This is so exciting.
Can I get a ticket and maybe we will come here?
Whatever, Misaki, yeah.
Misaki makes us a reservation at a restaurant, but we don't have much time to get back, or we'll lose it.
Thank you. This fashion is
Very Tokyo style.
yeah.
Okay. We have
Lyf Shibuya of Tokyo.
Yes. We are here.
Yeah.
Misaki is on a semester break from her university studies in Kyoto, so she's staying with us at the hotel too.
Okay, we check in. Hello, doggy. They've got a lounge here.
Mary in Harris. Yeah, you. Okay. Thank you.
You going, darling?
Huge bed. Oh. Just here because you have space there. Okay. Yes, that's good idea.
Wow, what a room.
Huge television. Wow. Wow.
Great! They have the same amazing BD toilets as the ones they have in Singapore.
Nice as a bar.
What's this?
How good is this? Welcome to Shibuya.
After a quick change, we have to head out again, but we've missed our first reserve, so we need to find somewhere else to eat.
Wow.
Misaki finds an Izakaya, a no-frills traditional Japanese restaurant, and we're able to get a table.
Oh, sorry. Neither of us are exactly chopstick experts, but there's something about them. Once it clicks, they almost become part of your hand. You have to slow right down, pick things up properly, and actually taste what you're eating. Misaki told us that Izakaya actually means stay, drink place. Think of it less like a bar, but more somewhere where you land after work with your mates. Food, drinks, no rush to leave, a place to hang out and have some fun. Shibuya is famous for them, tucked into side streets you just walk straight past. Before she eats anything, Misaki always puts her hands together and says Itadakimasu, which means I humbly receive. Everyone around us does the same thing, quietly, naturally, like breathing. It's not a religious thing, it's just a moment of gratitude for the food and for the people who made and prepared it. It's such a lovely little habit and epitomises the respectful nature of the Japanese people in general. Ordering her some more drinks on the app. She's very... This is the Japanese style.
Oh, you look me darling.
Thank you.
Look at this little darling. Oh my gosh.
Shibuya.
Misaki wants to show us another little dog on the other side of the crossing.
Where's the doggy?
Close to the station adjacent to the Scramble, there's a small bronze statue of a dog whose name was Hachiko. Every day Hachiko would walk with his owner to the station and wait to walk with him home again. Until one day in May 1925, Hachiko's owner died and never came home. But Hachiko came back anyway, every single day for nearly 10 years, waiting at the same spot for his owner, who sadly was never coming back. This reminds me of a similar story of a wee Skye Terrier in Edinburgh called Greyfriars Bobby. What an incredible first few hours, and we can't wait to see what Misaki has planned on her itinerary for the next few days in Tokyo and further afield across Japan. If you want to come with us, please subscribe, as we'd love to share our amazing trip with you. Thank you for watching Lewis and Bonnie's Australia and Away.